Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to do the fourth question of exercise 11.1, 7th grade CBSE NCERT Maths. Here the question is, the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 cm. If the length is 35 cm, find its breadth. Also find the area. Here perimeter and length of the rectangular sheet is given. First we have to find its breadth, after that area. Let us start solving. Given length of the rectangular sheet equal to 35 cm. Perimeter of the rectangular sheet equal to 100 cm. Now here we will write the formula for finding the perimeter of the rectangle. That is 2 into L plus B equal to, this given as 100 cm. Here we have to get the value of B. That is, we have to isolate B here, or we have to get B alone in the left hand side. That means we have to take L and 2 from the left hand side to the right hand side. For that, first we have to take 2. Since here it is a multiplication, when we take 2 from this left hand side to right hand side, it becomes a division. That means 2 will be in the denominator here. So we can write L plus B equal to 100 cm divided by 2. That is 100 divided by 2, it is 50. Or we can divide numerator and denominator by 2. That is 2 divided by 2, it is 1. 10 divided by 2, it is 5. Then put this 0. That is what we are getting here, 50 divided by 1, that is equal to 50 that much centimeter. That is L plus B equal to 50 centimeter. Now we can substitute the value of L, that is length is given here as 35 centimeter. So 35 centimeter plus B equal to 50 centimeter. For getting B alone here, we have to transpose 35. Transpose means changing the side of a number. That is, here we have to take 35 from left hand side to right hand side. In doing so, sign of the number has to be changed. Here it is understood, sign of 35 is plus only. So when we take plus 35 from LHS to RHS, it will be minus 35. Therefore, B equal to 50 centimeter minus 35 centimeter. That is, B equal to 50 minus 35, it is 15 centimeter. There are different methods to solve this. If you want, you can put the value of L here itself and continue like this. Or you can use distributive property here. Let us try that. Let me write this step once again. That is 2 into L plus B equal to 100 centimeter. Using distributive property, we can write this as 2 into L plus 2 into B. That is 2L plus 2B equal to 100 centimeter. Here I am going to substitute the value of L. If you want, you can do it later also. That is 2 into length is 35 centimeter plus 2B equal to 100 centimeter. 2 into 35 is 70 centimeter plus 2b equal to 100 centimeter. Here we want to get b alone here. So first we will remove 70 from here. That is 2b equal to 100 centimeter. Then what about the sign of 70? It is here plus only. So it will be minus here. So 100 centimeter minus 70 centimeter. That is 2b equal to 100 centimeter minus 70 centimeter. It is 30 centimeter. Now we want to take 2 from LHS to RHS. Since 2 and b are combined with the operation multiplication here, it will be a division on the RHS. Therefore, b equal to 30 centimeter divided by 2. That is b equal to 30 divided by 2. It is 15 centimeter. If we put the value of L here itself, we will get 2 into L plus B equal to 100 centimeter becomes 2 into 35 centimeter. Instead of L, we are writing its value, that is 35 centimeter plus B equal to 100 centimeter. Now we are keeping this here itself, that is 35 centimeter plus B equal to 100 centimeter divided by 2, because here it is a multiplication. So when we take 2 from LHS to RHS, here it becomes a division. That is 35 centimeter plus B equal to 50 centimeter. 100 by 2, it is 50. Now we have to get B alone here. Therefore B is equal to 50 centimeter. Now we have to take 35 from LHS to RHS, and its sign is here plus, so it becomes a minus here. So B is equal to 50 centimeter minus 35 centimeter, that is equal to 15 centimeter. Again we are going to see a formula for finding the breadth of a rectangle if its perimeter and length is given. You know how we are getting the formula? Perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. We know in a rectangle, opposite sides are of equal length. That is, if it is L here, here also it will be L, and if the length of this side is B, then this side also will be B. Also we have already learned the perimeter of a figure will be sum of the lengths of the sides of the given figure. So here perimeter of this rectangle will be L plus B plus L plus B, that is equal to L plus L, that is 2L plus B plus B, 2B, that is equal to, here you can see 2 is common for these terms, so we can take 2 outside. What is remaining here? It is L, then plus, here it is B. This is how we get the formula. Now let us take this step, that is perimeter equal to 2L plus 2B. Let me write it here. 2L plus 2B equal to B. Here we want to find B. So keep 2B here, that is equal to B, then take 2L to right hand side, it will be minus B minus 2L. Now keep B alone here, B is equal to B minus 2L. When we take 2 from LHS to RHS, it will be in the denominator like this. So here we got a formula for finding the breadth, that is B is equal to B minus 2L divided by 2. We can use this formula for finding the breadth of a rectangle if its perimeter and length is given. In the same way, if we want to find the length, again we can write 2L plus 2B equal to P. Since we want to find the length, keep 2L here. It will be equal to P. Here, when we take 2B from LHS to RHS, since the sign is plus here, it will be minus there. That is minus 2B. So, L equal to P minus 2B divided by 2. Using this formula, we can find the length of a rectangle if its perimeter and breadth is given. Now I am going to solve this question using this formula. Here length equal to 35 cm, perimeter equal to 100 cm. Now we want to find the breadth. So breadth equal to breadth B equal to, what is the formula? P minus 2L divided by 2. That is equal to P, it is here 100. So 100 minus 2 into length is 35 divided by 2. That is equal to 100 minus 2 into 35 is 70 divided by 2. That is equal to 30 divided 100 minus 70 is 30. 30 divided by 2, that is equal to 15. Therefore, breadth of this rectangular sheet is B is equal to 15 centimeter. That is, breadth of this rectangular sheet is 15 centimeter. Next, we have to find its area. Formula for finding the area is length into breadth. Here length is 35 centimeter and breadth is 15 centimeter. 35 multiplied by 15. 5 5s are 25. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 1 5s are 5. 1 3s are 3. Adding 5, 7 plus 5, 12. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. That is equal to 525, that much centimeter square. So, for finding the breadth of the rectangle, you can use any of the method we have discussed. Here, breadth of the rectangular sheet is 15 centimeter and its area is 525 centimeter square. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.